Hey guys, how you doing today? Just doing a little bit of an update video here on some different stuff, some upcoming projects. It's been 4 months since I broke my leg. Still using a cane now and no cast or nothing though, but anyway, yeah, just a little update video. There's the zero turn that I did back in the spring, I guess it was. That thing is working great. Amazing machine. Even with the Princess Auto engine I bought for $1,200, it works great. Not disappointed at all. Anyway, and I'll take you outside. This is the garage at my house, actually. I'll get outside here and I'll show you some of the upcoming projects. I'll flip you around here so you can see. Okay, so I just bought this. It's a 2009 Nissan Frontier. It's not a bad little truck at all. The guy said that he thought the transmission was slipping that I bought it from, and anyway, he took it to a garage and they said that the coolant had mixed in with the transmission fluid. Now I checked the transmission fluid. I didn't see anything milky in there. And I also checked the oil on it, and it was down about probably 1.5 quarts on oil at least, maybe 2, and it had no coolant in it. So I put some water in it and added some oil to it, and I drove it home, and it worked fine. No problems at all. Anyway, that's going to be an upcoming video. We're going to work on that fairly soon. Excuse my hobbling around the truck here. It's not a bad little truck though. I think I'm hoping anyway it doesn't need like a transmission job or a new transmission or something like that. It seems to run fine and everything. And there's the Colorado. As you can see, that's been on the channel before. 4.8 liter V8 swap. It works great, no issues at all. And I also have to fix this. This is my mother-in-law's car, and we're going to do some PDR on this, paintless dent repair, because as you can see, she got a little dent in the door. So we're going to try and fix that up for her. I'll probably have to do a little paint on it because there's some scratches there where it hit, but anyway, we're going to fix that up also. So that'll be in an upcoming video. So yeah. So I'll take you out to the shop and show you what I'm working on out there. So there's my shed, my $700 shed. I still got to give that another coat of paint. Supposed to do that this summer, but unfortunately I broke my leg. And there's the Corolla that I painted. And I had just finished painting that right after, or just before I broke my leg. I painted this car. And it turned out not too bad. It's certainly not perfect, but I'm no professional painter, that's for sure. But it turned out pretty good. So this is going to be sold pretty soon. I'll be getting rid of this. Today I have to shine up these headlights because they're very, very dull. They're very dull. Like this one, look at that. Like that's bad. So we're going to shine those up. But yeah, the paint turned out pretty good on it. This car was oil undercoated since it was new. So body-wise, it's in really, really good shape. It has the original rockers on it. They've never been touched. Yeah, so rust-wise, this car is in great shape. But anyway, so as you can see, those lights are very, very cloudy. And I'm getting them taped up, so we're going to get them taped up, sand them, and clear them. And I got my inspiration on. Yeah, Kevin from Junkyard Digs. That is an awesome channel. I've been watching it a lot the last couple of years, especially the last probably, I'm going to say 4 months because my leg was broke. So anyway, great channel. Check them out, Junkyard Digs. Anyway, so we're going to get these lights clear coated and get them shined up. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's one coat of clear. I'm going to do another coat. That's two coats. We'll leave that set for 10 or 15 minutes. And then we'll come back to it. It's looking good already. It's looking a lot better. Anyway, we'll leave that set. So this is basically what we're starting out with. A very, very cloudy headlight. And I'll show you the difference here in a second. This one I just clear coated again. So it looks a lot better, a lot shinier, but it's still dry in the clear coat. So we'll give that 10 or 15 minutes. I'll show you the difference. There's quite a significant difference when you clear coat your headlights. And this is way cheaper than buying new headlights. Okay guys, I got the clear coat put on. It is drying, but they look 110% better. Like, I'm very, very, very pleased with that result. I think that look turned out great. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to go in and have some lunch, and I'll come out later and peel the paper off this, and we'll have a look with it, all the paper and tape and everything off it, and see what it looks like. So anyway, we'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna go have some lunch. Okay guys, so it's been probably a couple hours now at least, maybe a little longer, since we did the headlights on the Corolla, and I'm gonna come back out now. Those look 100% better than they did. There's no yellowing now. They're nice and clear. They look brand new. And that was just it. Just sand them down. I did 1,000, then 2,000 grit sandpaper. Tape them off and spray them with clear coat paint. And where is the clear coat paint I used? Right here. This is what I used. That's it. Protective gloss finish, Duplicolor. And no, Duplicolor did not sponsor me in this video. So I bought that can of paint myself, or can of clear, I guess, and put it on. But yeah, they look 100% better. They look like brand new headlights now. So anyway, I'm going to get this paper and tape all taken off, and then we'll have another look at it. So there you go, guys. Those headlights look nice and shiny and new. And this one here too looks much better. Look like brand new headlights. Anyway, that certainly beats buying new headlights for, I don't know, I never even bothered pricing them, but I'm sure they'd be at least a couple $100 versus some sandpaper, and I think this is like a $12 or $15 can of Duplicolor. So certainly get really good results for very little money and very little time. That only took me probably in total a couple hours to do. So guys, that's how you do, or how I do, restore my headlights when they're starting to yellow, getting foggy looking. It's certainly way cheaper than buying new headlights. I would imagine, I never priced them, but I imagine they're maybe $250 to replace these headlights in this car. And these look every bit as good as new. And it only cost me a can of paint and a couple pieces of sandpaper that I already had. I used 1,000 grit and 2,000 grit, and I mean, they turned out pretty good. It certainly beats buying brand new headlights. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Sorry it's been 4 months since I've done a video, roughly, because I broke my leg. And anyway, haven't been out here too much in the past 4 months. But I'm starting to get back out here again. And there's going to be some other projects going on. Like you seen at the first of the video, I got the Nissan Frontier that we're going to be doing some work on. That should be coming up in the next week or two, I hope. This car will be done and going for sale. And also I got a Toyota Corolla there that I have got to fix. The door has a big dent in it. So I bought some new tools and we're going to do some paintless dent repair. I've never done it before, so we're going to see how hard it is, I guess, because I've never done it before. But I got some paintless dent repair tools and we're going to see how hard it is. So that will probably be the next video, I'm thinking. I'd like to get that done first. That's my mother-in-law's car, and I know she's been patiently waiting to get that done for my broken leg to heal up. So yeah, so that'll probably be the next video, and then the Nissan Frontier will be the next one. I'm hoping that doesn't need a transmission, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and everybody stay safe.